Yo, what's good, everybody? Okay, so I kind of got screwed when it comes to the Pixel 4a, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why. I wanted to share this video with you guys because I'm really, really sad. I'm really freaking bummed out. I am all kinds of just frustrated. I didn't, really make mention of this in the live stream earlier, but so this is how I got screwed out of the Pixel 4a. Now I still intend to get the phone. I'm going to do a first impressions on it a lot later than expected. So that's what really sucks is that I was hoping to have the phone at the end of this week and be able to share with you guys. All right, this is what happens in a nutshell. All right, so on August 3rd, I placed my pre-order for the Pixel 4a. That was fine. They did a soft charge against my wife's checking account because we ordered it from her debit card. And a soft charge is where they do like they don't really take the money. They just do a charge against the account to make sure that the account has active funds in it and that it will be able to pay for it. So then I get a notice that okay, on the day that they're going to ship the phone or prepare the phone to be shipped, they will charge the account. I'm like, okay, cool. So they have her debit card information. Everything's all set up. I check in, to manage the order, and I see that they're going to charge. It shows the last four of her debit card. I'm like, cool, we're good. We're golden. So this morning she messages me and she says, okay, the phone should probably be on its way because she just got notified from her banking app that they charged her the amount for the phone. I'm like, cool. So I'm checking my email because normally when they do that, they send you an email to tell you that your order is successfully placed. And then when they actually ship the phone to you, they send you a tracking number and a second email. I didn't get the first email saying that the order had been successfully placed. So I'm like, wait a minute, what's going on? I'm kind of nervous. So I reach out to Google Fi support to talk to them about the order, give them the order number. They tell me that the card declined. I'm like, wait a minute. I have like over $500 in that account. Well, my wife does. We have separate accounts. And this phone is going to be hers. So it took the amount that the phone cost with taxes and everything. And so Google Fi is like, oh, well, we just see that there's an active issue, declined payment. Reach out to your bank. So we reach out to the bank, talk to the bank. They said that the money was taken out of the account. And our bank rep basically explained it. So when they charged the account, the funds was there to cover the charge. So it was taken from the account. Now he said that because it shows pending in our list of transactions, it means that the merchant hasn't fully received the payment. He's like, you need to call them and find out what's going on. They have to know what's going on their end. Fine. Well, Google Fi doesn't have call reps, so you have to do it all by chat. So I'm chatting with another rep and I said, hey, contacted my bank. They told me the money cleared out. It's on your guys' end to accept the payment. What is going on? The second rep that I spoke to from Google Fi didn't know anything and told me to place a whole new order. I'm like, wait a minute. Why am I going to place a whole new order? Is my current order canceled? Because the money is sitting in limbo. You guys aren't able to receive it. It's declining on your end. Why? Why is this? They couldn't explain to me. I'm like, hey, let's get this rectified so you guys can get your payment so I can get the phone sent out to me. They're like, you're going to have to place a whole new order. So that chat rep disconnects with me. Then I remembered what happened with my Pixel Buds. When that was ordered for me, we had a similar issue. And I remembered it. I was like, wait a minute. This happened before with the Pixel Buds because her debit card was not linked to my GPay. It didn't authorize to take or to accept the payment on Google's end, which was like stupid. So I contact another Google Fi support rep and I tell them everything that's going on. I give them the whole spiel all over again. And then I tell them, could it possibly be that my wife's debit card is not linked to my GPay account? Does it have to be on my GPay account? The reason why I don't want it linked to my GPay account is because Google Fi automatically bills for your phone bill. I don't want them billing her checking account because I pay the phone bill for our family plan, not her. She pays the other bills. I pay specific bills. She pays specific bills. We don't cross our debit cards into each other's, GPay accounts and none of that stuff. They're like, yes, it needs to be added on there. I'm like, okay, well, can we do that so we can clear this payment? oh, you're going to have to reorder it again because your order was canceled. I'm like, wait a minute. So you're telling me the phone that I asked to be have pre-ordered that was set aside for me, it's still the 17th. The money that's for the phone is sitting in limbo. You guys can't do anything at this point, and you guys literally canceled my order? Yep. They canceled the order, and since the money for the phone is sitting in limbo because it takes 3 business days for the bank to pull the money back, now I have to wait for that money to go back into the account. Then I have to do another order for the Pixel 4a, and then I have to wait. It's probably going to come sometime next week now. I'm going to order it through the Google Store. I'm not going through Google Fi for it. I'm going to order it through the Google Store. I'm going to use their 2-day shipping promo. And hopefully it's not a pre-order that I'm doing. Hopefully it's an actual order for the phone. And then that way, hopefully they just send me a phone out. I'm really, really sad. I'm really bummed out. This is probably a shitty day before my birthday tomorrow. So I'm just like, but I wanted to share this with everybody out there who, if they ever have a problem with an order from the Google Store or from Google Fi, that might probably be it. So my wife's actually going to order it through her GPay, her Gmail account, her Google account. So then that way, because her debit card's set up with her GPay, so then we won't have this problem. And that's that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to share that quick little story with you guys. I'll let you guys go. As always, aloha.